Hello from Louis Ortiz. Today we're going to show you how to prepare grilled tilapia with a brown butter hazelnut sauce. Grilled tilapia is a popular dish because tilapia is a firm fleshed fish that does well on the grill and doesn't fall apart like some other fishes might. Once the tilapia fillet is seasoned on both sides, we're going to spray our grill with a little bit of nonstick spray and immediately place the seasoned tilapia fillet on the hot grill. We'll cook the fillet approximately 2 minutes per side, and we're going to use a fish spatula to make sure that our fillet stays intact during the cooking process. Once the fillet is done, we'll remove the fillet from the grill and begin preparing our brown butter hazelnut sauce for a topping. To make the sauce, we'll add a little bit of bacon drippings to the pan, get those nice and warm, add the hazelnuts, start to brown those, and as the hazelnuts are cooking, we'll finish with cold butter cubes to complete the sauce. Grilled tilapia with the brown butter hazelnut sauce is a quick and efficient procedure to use and a great crowd pleaser to serve along with rice and a steamed vegetable.